Hello students, welcome to my chemistry class. Today I will discuss about hybridization, that means mixing of orbits. So we already discussed about the inorganic compound. Now we will discuss about the organic compounds. So in the organic compounds, how we calculate the hybridization, it is very important. Clear? So students, if you are calculating the organic compounds, so first we know about the sigma and pi. So students, there is one tree. It is a single bond, double bond and triple bond. So how many total bonds? It is one. First you minus this. Clear? So total bond is 1 and automatically you will minus 1, so it will come 0. So in this case 0 is pi bond and how much minus? 1 is sigma bond. So this is the very important trick for the calculating the sigma and pi bonds in the given compound. If you having the double bond, so that means number of bond is 2. Clear? And the formula is automatically subtract minus 1, so it will come 1 pi bond and how much subtract? 1, that's why 1 sigma. For the triple bond, the total bond is 3 and minus 1 according to this formula and automatically will come 2 pi bond and 1 is sigma. So this is the trick for the how many sigma and pi bond present in the given compound. So students, see the example here and after that you will understand all the concept of this trick. Example is that if example is given C2H6 or CH3 single bond CH3. Clear? So students, in this case the central atom is 2. So first to draw the structure of this molecule. So the structure is simple: H single bond C, single bond H, single bond H, and C single bond H, single bond H, and single bond H. So students, if you are calculating the hybridization of the given compound, first you calculate the sigma bond. So we know the single bond is known as sigma bond. So every single bond is sigma bond in this case. Clear? So students, for the calculating the hybridization, this is our central atom. This is also a central atom. So nearest to the central atom, calculate the total number of sigma bonds. The total number of sigma bond is how much? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in this case 4. In this case also how much? 4. So students, be remember, if the 2 sigma bond is that, the hybridization is sp and the 3, so 4 sp2 and 4 1 sp3. Clear? So organic generally represent sp, sp2 and sp3 type of hybridization. So how much? 44 sigma bonds. The totally answer is sp3. So this will also show the sp3 and this will also show the sp3 hybridization of the given compound by the carbon atom. So carbon atom in this case showing the sp3 hybridization. Clear? So now come to the next example. If you are taking the example is C2H4. So what is the structure? So here in this case how much carbon atom? 2. So automatically first you form the single bond and the 4 hydrogen is there. So that's why for the contribution of hydrogen according to carbon, so the one trick is that 4 by 2, that means you calculate the number of hydrogen for the carbon atom. So 2 hydrogen having the 1 carbon atom. So students, clear? But in this case carbon valency is not completed, that's why you take the here double bonds. So because of carbon atom form only 4 bonds, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So first you calculate the number of sigma bond. Single bond is sigma bond. We know already discussed. Single bond is known as sigma bond. But in this case, double bond. So already trick is there. Total bond is how much? 2, and minus 1 equal to 1 is pi bond, and how much subtract? 1 is sigma. So this is our sigma bond and this is our pi bond. So first you mark of the central atom. So this is our central atom. So in this case you calculate the nearest sigma bond. 1, 2, 3. And in this case also how much? 1, 2, 3. Clear? So for the 3 sigma bonds, the hybridization is sp2. So this is the this is the answer for the C2H4 molecule, or we already discussed here the hybridization of carbon atom. Clear? So students, remember all the concept of the hybridization in the organic compound. Now we are discuss about the another example, which is C2H2. Clear? So C2H2 cases means two carbon atom, and how much hydrogen? For the hydrogen 2 by 2, that means 1. So each carbon atom having the 1 hydrogen. But we know that how much valency for the central atom? 4 is maximum. But in this case we having the only 2 bonds. So minus 2 bonds. So here 2 bond is required. One is like that and one is like that. So how many sigma bonds? So we know that single bond is sigma bond. But in the triple bond, how much sigma bond? So total bond is 3. So start minus 1. So automatically will come 2 pi bond and one is sigma bond. So sigma bond is central bond and another one is up and lower is pi bond. So students, mark the central atom and now you calculate the sigma bond. So in this case carbon having the 1 sigma and 2 this one. So 2 sigma bonds, and in this case also 2 sigma bonds. So for the 2 sigma bond we have the sp answer for the carbon atom. So in this case the central atom having sp type of hybridization of the given compound. Now come to the different type of examples. So different type of examples like H single bond C single bond H. You can see here the example is given that C2H5OH. So students, you can write CH3CH2OH. So if you are making the structure of this molecule, it will come like that. So students, sigma bond, that means single. So first you represent the sigma bond. Clear? So in this case how much total bond is? 1, 2, 3, 4. The central atom nearest sigma bond is 4. That why answer is sp3. In this case also sp3. If someone asks what is the hybridization of oxygen? So we know that oxygen having the outermost electron 6. So 6 outermost electron is that, but for the bonding 2 electrons required of the bonding 2 electrons. So that's why remaining electrons is 4. So that means how many number of bonds? 1 and 1, that means 2 number of bonds, and that means bond pair. And how much lone pair? 1 and 1, that means 2. So we already discussed about in the inorganic compound. So if the lone pair and bond pair addition is 4, so that why answer is sp3. So in the case of oxygen, the hybridization is sp3. Now it is clear to everyone.